Monthly charts are in. Let's start marking them up. Starting with SPY. Overall market looks good. Buyers stepped in for April. May's price activity started at 555 roughly. Let's be specific. 556 all the way up to 595. Current price is 589. Looks like a great range. We could continue to break out and see all-time highs. Let's jump to QQQ. Bullish engulfing candle from March. Price action looks really good. Buyer stepped in April, continued to take all of the selling supply and push higher into February's action. Let's jump to Bitcoin. Buyers in control. All-time highs just printed last month. Could potentially be bullish. Let's go to XLU. Current year-to-date return is 9%, outperforming the overall market. Could potentially be topping here, but this is strong bullish demand, consuming this whole December bearish candle to reaching into November's price action. Definitely something to be on the watch list. Let's go into industrials. Similar chart structure here. Overall demand is high. Buyers look to be in control, and I would expect that they continue in the coming months. Let's go to XLK. Great looking chart pattern here. You see where buyers started stepping in April, continued to take control in May. Very similar to QQQ. Prices reaching into those February levels. Let's jump on the daily. We have some gaps that we could potentially fill. I think this is a breakaway gap in a continuation pattern, which usually results in a third one, which is the extension. That extension gap could be this 236 to 244 range eventually. We will see. Let's give it some time. Let's check communications. XLC daily, looking decent. Looks like we're basing in this range here. Nice consolidation pattern. Could potentially be stuck above or under this 102 and above the 100 for a little while. Let's see where May's price action leads us. Just checking the monthly before we go. Massive V-shaped recovery. Buyers stepped in April. Retested highs. Did not completely engulf all of the February price action. So on a relative basis, this is not as strong as per se XLK. Let's look at XLF. Definitely not as strong as well. Let's go to the daily just to see. 50-day highs were printed and sold off. Stuck under this band of 51. Could potentially go 48 and maybe even lower. Time will tell on this name. Let's go ARKK. ARKK. ARK is something I use as a risk on indicator. See, chart looks relatively good. Prices in this 52 or above range. All-time high was, most recent all-time high for February was 68. Let's zoom in to see how constructive it's looking. Could definitely be a bull flag forming here. We had 50-day highs print. If we break above this 58 range, you could see that 68 print. Something I would be interested in. I'm actually going to set an alert as we speak. Anything else we should look at? Let's check some names that are popular for everybody. Let's go to HIMS. HIMS daily looking really good. Some strong price action there. Let's go weekly. Massive move. Holding this trend line. Potentially consolidating up in this above 50 range. Go monthly. See where buyers stepped in here. Yep. April buyer stepped in. Massive green candle for May. Potentially see that 70 roll coming through. Let's go PLTR. Beautiful V-shaped breakout. Consolidation in a huge range. Breaking above right now. I'm loving it. Let's see what this move could be. Could see that 186 by end of year. Let's go to SoFi. Oh, massive. Oh my, what has happened? There we go, fellas. All right, SoFi. Chart's already marked up. Monthly's looking relatively good. Don't like the February or that January sell-off, but let's go to the daily. So most recent 200-day high was in January of 24. 50-day high did print in May. We sold off slightly, which is common. We're holding this 12 range. If we stay between this $12 and $13 range, I would expect us to break up or below in June. But we will need to give this ticker some time to work. Let's go 4 weave. Massive.
Mic off.